Hey, so if you're trying to post a review on Glassdoor but it's not going through, yeah, don't worry. This is actually a common issue. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First thing, make sure your review follows Glassdoor guidelines. If it includes restricted content or violates policies, it won't get posted. Next, double-check your form. So, missing ratings, job title, or employment status can stop the review from submitting. All right, make sure you're properly logged in. I mean, if your session expires, Glassdoor may fail to post your review. Now, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch during submission. If it still doesn't work, try clearing your browser cache or using incognito mode. So, this removes stored data that might block submission. Next, turn off browser extensions like ad blockers. They can sometimes interfere with the review submission button. And yeah, if nothing works, switch devices or try the mobile app. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is device-related. So that's how you fix Glassdoor review not posting issues. One of these steps should get your review submitted successfully.